Every data analyst knows the pain. You share a SQL query or a dashboard, and a week later, it's broken. Someone just tweaked a query, edited some field names. Now, numbers do not match, and you are back in Slack trying to debug your own report. But what if business users could explore the data without touching or seeing your SQL? Let me show you how you can build a self-service reporting layer with OWOX. Look, here is the library of data marts that my data team already created. Some for connecting some app data to the data warehouse, some for metrics definition, some for business KPIs. Notice, I can search across all data marts, get inside, read the descriptions that were already added, see the output schema with some friendly aliases and field-level notes. What I don't see? The SQL. It stays protected from my eyes because I'm a business user who needs to see my website sessions, not the SQL collecting those. I select the website sessions by channel data mart, and from here, I can create a report straight into my Google Sheets. Add the name for my report, paste the document link, click Create Report. Then I need to click on Manual Run right here and look how data flows in, with all the business-friendly names and the descriptions that my data team already prepared and attached to the report. I don't see the SQL. I don't need to have the warehouse access rights. What I need is to ask the data analyst to share access to his library of queries, the library of data marts inside OWOX Data Marts. That's it. I will have nothing to break. Next, I set up a trigger. I want my report to be updated every morning at 9 a.m. my time on a schedule. Now, I've got my self-service marketing report about sessions in place. And the analyst who built and saved the data mart, well, he can finally stop babysitting my reports. This is exactly what self-service analytics should look like in 2025, when analytics teams need control and business users need a way to self-serve data. Analysts define the logic, lock it down and document it. Business users run their own reports on their own schedule without breaking anything. That's not just convenient, it's real data governance. And is the reason that OWOX Data Marts exists. Try it out free, self-hosted or in the cloud, and see how much easier your life gets when you hand off reporting to business users the right way.